Hello everyone, classmates and teachers. We are the Jukes, and in this video, we will talk about anthropology and how it works. So sit back, relax, watch, and learn. Anthropology. Anthropology is the scientific study of humanity concerned with human behavior, biology, and societies in both the present and past. In short, anthropology is the comparing of humanity to other living beings around the world, or the universe if there are living beings outside our planet. So there are four main subdivisions in the study of anthropology. They are cultural, physical or biological, linguistic, and archaeology. The main concept of these four divisions are to distinguish and to identify what type of kind of human you are, because even though all of us are all human and have the same organs and thinking, we are still different from each other and doesn't share the same culture and languages. So basically, these four divisions helps us or the anthropologists figure out what group of people we belong in and how human we really are in terms of performing our own culture and speaking our own languages. And speaking of languages, anthropological linguistic is basically a subdivision of anthropology which they study different languages to identify its culture or its society. For example, here in the Philippines, there is a tribe of indigenous people. Indigenous means living natively or naturally in a particular region or environment without the influence of the modern world. And these indigenous people only speaks one language, and only they can understand it. That's why anthropologists need to study such languages to identify what specific group, culture, and society we belong in. We have here two anthropologists who both contributed a lot in the world of anthropology, in cultural subdivision of anthropology to be exact. First, we have Felipe Landa Jocano or Jocano. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. Born February 5, 1930 and died on October 27, 2013. Jocano was a Filipino anthropologist, educator, and author known for his significant body of work within the field of Philippine anthropology, and in particular for documenting and translating the Hinilawod, a Western Visayan folk epic. And second, we have Ruth Fulton Benedict, born June 5, 1887 and died on September 17, 1948. Benedict was an American anthropologist and folklorist and was one of the first women anthropologists in history. She studied the relations between personality, art, language, and culture, insisting that no trait existed in isolation or self-sufficiency, a theory which she championed in her 1934 book Patterns of Culture. Benedict's Pattern of Culture 1934 was translated into 14 languages, and for years it was published in many editions and used as standard reading material for anthropology courses in American universities. In conclusion, anthropology and anthropologists really contributed a lot in our history and also in our lives today. This is all for our video presentation, and thank you for watching.